It is Wednesday, June 28th. Let's see. All these up in the front here, these are all Freeport orange bonnets. No pods yet. They're getting there though. I'm starting to pick up a little bit. And I got my dahlias down here. These are all MOAs. I got some JMOAs, some Andrew Banks. I got some big ones that I did last year. I got one Dreddy. It's the Dreddy right there. Here we go in the backyard. A lot of these are my crosses. Also got some box in here. But I got a orange carbonero, Haji Chumbo. I got an orange carbonero Bach. And I got an orange carbonero Daddle. That's the Daddle one right there. That's the one I'm interested in. These are the Haji Chumbo ones with the crosses. Got a couple of Scotch bonnet brain strands here at the end. Get in the backyard here. This is kind of the backyard. I have woods behind me, so it's kind of nice. A couple of orange carboneros. I got 3 Vortex here. These are mostly all Primos. There's chocolate Primos, orange Primos, yellow Primos, red Primos. These are all Primos pretty much. There's a couple crosses in here. We got 2 Aji crystals right here on the end. And I got a Primo Butch T cross here, a couple of them. These are all Genghis Khans here. These right here are a cross from Rob Vetter. They're a cross between a green bell pepper and a red Scotch bonnet. I think it was an accidental cross, but there's 2 phenos here. One is a oblong one, and one is a round one. Let me get a picture of the oblong ones here. Those have just a little bit of heat. They look like a small, little, maybe 3-4 inch bell pepper, but they're red. And then there's this pheno here, which is round, and I believe this is the one that has no heat. I believe it's also red. These are all habaneros in here. It's got Caribbean habaneros, I got chocolate hobs, I got I call them my hobs. They're a real hot hob. They're similar to like red Savinas. And I might have something else in there too, but they're all habaneros. I always forget what these are. Mostly some crosses. Some Butch T crosses in here. There's some boot orange habaneros. I'm gonna go over here. I got my Tabasco Nega Tigers. 3 of those. Come along. One's really dark and 2 of them are just a little bit dark. And I have 3 or 4 CP115s. And then we have a bunch of Rob Walkner Death Pods. Very interested to see what those are. Well, back where I had the Primos, I got a couple of other ones from Rob too. From, let's see, they're Ariana Chocolate Nega Vipers, I think. And we get over here, we got Primo Moruga Crosses. A bunch of those. And then we got some Primo Bach Crosses. A bunch of those. And we got 3 Fatales. And then we got some. They are. Heck are they? Carbon Boot 7-Pot Red. Got a bunch of those. And also along the inside of here, I just got a bunch of jalapenos and cayennes. Just the little ones I bought. They were cheap. Ring of Fire cayennes. Then these over here are pretty much all jalapenos. In the back I have 4 just bell peppers. Some people don't like the heat, so I gotta have a little bit for them too. And then I got 3 daisy cutters I got from my buddy Lee Larson. And we have Lee's Unknown Purple Plant. We don't know what it is yet. He said the pods start out black and they turn orange. So I've never grown it, so he gave me one. I'm gonna check it out. And we go up the stairs, the dreaded stairs. Had to haul all my pots up and down here a couple times. And here, this whole row here is Chili de Aguas. Yeah, let's see if I can find a couple for you. There's one right there. There's a big one right here. Most of them are flowered at little stages. A few that have some decent sized pods on them. They might get a little bigger than that, but not much. And then we got some more Jambellas. These are all Jambellas here. These are Jambellas here. Jambellas. Then we go back to the Chili de Aguas. So, a big storm just missed us. Went north of us, so they had dime-sized hail, so kind of lucked out there. That's the peppers for June 28th. Mark's Peppers.